In this video, I'm going to show you some tips to help you with YouTube. So if you're interested to find out more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Here I share how to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. Now, if you like this kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now, today I am in the Mastermind Influencer team. And what we do is we try to make things a little easier for the more seasoned or the new YouTuber. Now today, what I'm going to be talking about is later.com. I'm going to run the name across the screen, later.com. Now later.com does have free and subscription services. Now, what Later does is Later helps you do, I guess you want to say, your announcements, to send something to Instagram and something to your Facebook page and to get things out so people know what you have coming up. For instance, if you want to send, like, I'm doing this influencer challenge, and I want to put it out to let everybody know that I'm doing this. Well, on Later, you can put your flyer or your little locale, whatever you're going to do for it. You can design it and put it there, and you can have it set up where it'll go at what time you want to go out. You can set the time and the date, and you can send it to your Facebook. You can send it to your Instagram. You can send it to Pinterest, and I think that's it. Instagram, Pinterest. Those three ones, those are the ones I mainly send them to. You can send it to, I send it to those where you have so many free ones per month for each channel if you do the free service. But if you do a paid subscription, you can send more, of course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my Later setup and let you see what I'm talking about and walk you through a little process of me using later.com. All right, here is my page on later.com. And the name is just like it says, Later, Later.com. Now you can have, like I said, you can have a free membership or you can have a paid membership. Now I'm going to show you how I upload here to schedule for events to go out. Now at the top it has a section that says Upload Media. And then what I'm doing is I'm going in and picking out the cover that I want to use that I've already made. And it would upload it here. Now what I'm going to do is click on this and it shows up here on the screen. Now what I want to do is I want to create a post. First, let me back up. Up the top, I have my accounts, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook, all up at the top. So right now, Instagram is highlighted. So I'm going to click on this picture. Then I'll go here to create a post. And I already have a preset caption or words that I could put in my videos. And you see it's already here. And then it has suggested hashtags. I do not have a paid account, so I cannot get the suggested hashtags. But what I can do is once it uploads to Instagram, I can go in and change it if I choose to. Okay, now down at the bottom, it shows you the date and the time. Now I want this to go out for the 5th, no, the 6th at 5 p.m. Central, the one I'm making. This is what time it's going to go out. I need to fix the time. 5 a.m. I don't want it a.m. I want it p.m. 5 p.m. Central Standard Time is the time I want this to go out. Now here you can click the edit button on the picture and it will help you set it for whatever you're going for. Like here's the Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, whatever one you're going for. And this is for Instagram. So I'm going to do Instagram landscape right there. And then update image. And then you save it. Okay, so then it goes on your calendar over here. You see it on the calendar here. That is ready to go out for that day. So now I go up to the top and I click on my next item, which is Pinterest. So I click on the same picture again and create a pin. And then here you have to select, it asks you what board you want to go to. And I want this to go to this section. And here I'm going to put Cook With Me. I'm going to put Cook With Me on the end. And it changed this to Easy Meals for Dinner. Okay, then I click Edit. And then I find the one for Pinterest. And the only one they have for Pinterest is the long one. But I need this to be a landscape. So I will leave it. I will use the Instagram landscape for that. And then I will set the date and the time, which will be Saturday. And it will be at 5 p.m. Why did it jump so high so quick? 5 p.m. That's the time this will go on Pinterest. Then I will click again for Facebook. Click the same picture. Create a post. And I will go in here to edit. You can do the same thing. I'm going to do the landscape, the same one still. And then I'm going to add a caption I already have ready. The time will be Saturday. At 5 p.m. And it's saved for all 3 items right here. So all I have to do now is on Saturday at 5, all of those posts will be posted to Instagram, to Facebook, and to and to Pinterest. So it does help you get advertisement, get people to know that your channel is there. So all of those posts that post that I just did will go out to all of those different social media contacts. So I think Later.com is a very good thing. It helps you with advertisement. You can set up different days, different times. I love it. And it also, sometimes it will remind you, it'll send you an email or a text message to let you know that it's time to let your Instagram out if you're not a subscribed member. So it's a very good thing. I like it. I've used it quite a few times. And it's a very good tool to use for Instagram. Now also too, if you got the if you purchase the YouTube checklist for me off my if you got to download the new form off my website, you'll see that it has Later.com on the bottom, and it'll help you check off to make sure you did those things to post on each site. So that's why Later.com is on my form. So I hope this information was helpful to you, so you know how to advertise your channel. And if you have any questions about Later.com, feel free to ask me down below. I will do my best to answer any questions. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen, and you be blessed.